Our planet is facing a crisis. The signs are all around us, from the melting ice caps in the Arctic to the rampant deforestation in the Amazon. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe, affecting millions of lives and ecosystems. These changes are not just distant problems, they are happening in our backyards, impacting our daily lives and the future of our planet. We produce an enormous amount of waste. Every day, tons of garbage are generated by households, businesses, and industries. This waste often ends up in landfills, incinerators, or worse, scattered across our cities and natural landscapes. The sheer volume of waste is overwhelming our current waste management systems, leading to significant environmental and health issues. This waste pollutes our land, water, and air. Polluted rivers and lakes harm aquatic life and contaminate our drinking water. Landfills release harmful gases and chemicals into the soil and air, contributing to climate change and health problems. Smog-filled cityscapes are a daily reminder of the pollution crisis we face. Recycling is crucial to address this problem. By recycling, we can reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and incinerators. It allows us to recover valuable materials and reuse them, conserving natural resources and reducing pollution. Recycling also helps to create jobs and stimulate the economy. It allows us to transform waste into valuable resources. Recycled materials can be used to make new products, reducing the need for virgin materials and the environmental impact of extraction and processing. From plastic bottles to aluminum cans, many everyday items can be recycled and given a new life. By embracing recycling, we can move towards a more sustainable future. Recycling is a key component of a circular economy where products and materials are kept in use for as long as possible. This approach not only reduces waste, but also promotes sustainable production and consumption patterns. Traditional recycling methods have limitations. Many recycling centers struggle to process complex materials and mixed waste streams. Contamination of recyclables is a major issue, as it can render entire batches of materials unusable. They often struggle with complex materials. Items like electronic waste, mixed material packaging, and non-recyclable plastics pose significant challenges. These materials require specialized processing and often end up in landfills. Contamination poses a significant challenge. When non-recyclable items are mixed with recyclables, it can contaminate the entire recycling stream. This not only reduces the efficiency of recycling operations, but also increases costs and environmental impact. We need innovative solutions to improve recycling rates. Advances in technology and engineering can help us overcome the limitations of traditional recycling methods. By developing new processes and equipment, we can increase the efficiency and effectiveness of recycling. This is where engineering steps in. Engineers are at the forefront of developing cutting-edge recycling technologies, from automated sorting systems to chemical recycling processes. These innovations are transforming the way we handle waste. Engineers are developing cutting-edge technologies. These technologies include robotic arms that can sort waste with precision, advanced machinery that can process complex materials, and new methods for recycling challenging items like electronic waste. These technologies are revolutionizing the recycling process. Advanced sorting systems, chemical recycling, and waste-to-energy are promising examples. These innovations can help us recover more materials and reduce the environmental impact of waste. And waste-to-energy are promising examples. Waste-to-energy plants can convert non-recyclable waste into energy, reducing the need for landfills and providing a renewable energy source. Chemical recycling can break down complex materials into their basic components, making them easier to reuse. The future of recycling depends on our commitment and innovation. By supporting and investing in new technologies, we can improve recycling rates and reduce the environmental impact of waste. Community recycling programs and public awareness campaigns are also essential to encourage more people to recycle. We must invest in these technologies. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in supporting recycling innovation. Funding for research and development, incentives for recycling programs, and public education are all crucial to advancing recycling efforts. We must embrace sustainable practices. Recycling is just one part of a broader effort to live more sustainably. By reducing our consumption, reusing items, and choosing eco-friendly products, we can all contribute to a healthier planet. Together, we can create a greener planet for generations to come. Our actions today will determine the future of our planet. By working together and making sustainable choices, we can ensure a cleaner, healthier environment for ourselves and future generations. Traditional recycling relies on manual sorting. This process is labor-intensive and prone to errors. Advanced sorting systems offer a more efficient and accurate alternative. These systems utilize various technologies to separate recyclables. Optical sensors identify materials based on their color and reflectivity. Magnets separate ferrous metals. Air classifiers distinguish materials based on their density. Advanced sorting systems offer numerous benefits. They increase recycling rates and the purity of recycled materials. They also reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. Artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics are transforming the recycling industry. These technologies automate and optimize various stages of the recycling process. AI-powered robots can identify and sort different types of plastics. They can also separate materials that are difficult to distinguish manually. These robots work tirelessly, improving efficiency and accuracy. Moreover, AI algorithms can analyze waste streams. They identify patterns and optimize sorting processes. This data-driven approach enhances overall recycling efficiency. Chemical recycling goes beyond traditional mechanical methods. It uses chemical processes to break down plastics and other materials. This process creates new materials and chemicals. There are various chemical recycling methods. Depolymerization breaks down plastics into their building blocks. These building blocks can be used to create new plastics. Gasification converts plastics into singers, a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Chemical recycling offers several advantages. It can handle mixed plastics and contaminated materials. It can also create high-quality recycled materials. Section 5, From Trash to Treasure: Chemical Recycling in Action. Chemical recycling is already making an impact. This innovative process involves breaking down plastic waste into its basic chemical components. By doing so, it allows for the creation of new, high-quality materials from what was once considered trash. Several companies are implementing these technologies. They are investing in advanced machinery and research to optimize the recycling process. This not only helps in managing waste, but also in reducing the environmental footprint of plastic production. They are converting plastic waste into valuable resources. The process involves depolymerization, where polymers are broken down into monomers, which can then be repurposed to create new products. For instance, some companies use chemical recycling to create virgin quality plastics. These plastics are indistinguishable from those made from new raw materials, ensuring that the quality and durability are maintained. These plastics have the same properties as newly produced plastics. This means they can be used in a wide range of applications, from packaging to automotive parts, without compromising on performance. This process reduces the need for fossil fuels. By recycling existing plastics, we can decrease the demand for new plastic production, which is typically reliant on petroleum-based resources. Other companies are exploring the use of chemical recycling to create fuels and chemicals. This approach not only helps in managing plastic waste, but also provides an alternative source of energy and raw material. This has the potential to reduce our reliance on fossil resources. By turning waste into valuable products, chemical recycling offers a sustainable solution to some of the most pressing environmental challenges we face today. Section 6, The Power of Waste. Generating energy from refuse. Waste to energy is another promising technology. It involves incinerating waste to generate electricity. This process reduces the volume of waste sent to landfills. Modern waste-to-energy plants are equipped with advanced emission control systems. These systems minimize air pollution and environmental impact. Waste-to-energy can complement recycling efforts. It provides a sustainable way to manage residual waste. Section 7, Waste-to-energy: A Sustainable Solution. While waste-to-energy offers benefits, it also faces challenges. Critics argue that it can discourage recycling. They advocate for prioritizing waste reduction and recycling efforts. Finding the right balance is crucial. Waste-to-energy should not replace recycling, but rather complement it. It should focus on residual waste that cannot be recycled. Section 8. A future without waste, innovation for a circular economy. The future of recycling lies in creating a circular economy. This means designing products with recycling in mind. It involves using recycled materials in manufacturing processes. Emerging technologies such as 3D printing with recycled materials offer exciting possibilities. They enable us to create new products from waste streams. The transition to a circular economy requires collaboration. Governments, industries, and individuals must work together. We need to support innovation and promote sustainable practices. Section 9. Our collective responsibility: recycling for a sustainable future. Recycling is not just a technological challenge, but also a social responsibility. It requires the collective effort of individuals, communities, and industries to make a significant impact. By understanding the importance of recycling, we can contribute to a healthier planet. We must all do our part to reduce waste and recycle properly. This means being mindful of what we throw away and ensuring that recyclable materials are correctly sorted. Families can start by setting up recycling bins at home, teaching children the value of recycling from a young age, and encouraging workplaces to adopt sustainable practices. We can choose products with minimal packaging. When shopping, look for items that use less plastic and more biodegradable materials. Supporting brands that prioritize eco-friendly packaging can drive the market towards more sustainable practices. Every small choice adds up to a larger impact. We can support companies that prioritize sustainability. Businesses that adopt green certifications and sustainable practices play a crucial role in reducing environmental impact. By choosing to buy from these companies, we encourage more businesses to follow suit, creating a ripple effect that benefits the planet. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of recycling. Attending workshops, participating in online courses, and spreading awareness in our communities can help foster a culture of sustainability. Education is a powerful tool in changing behaviors and promoting long-term environmental stewardship. By embracing recycling as a collective responsibility, we can pave the way for a greener and more sustainable future. Community programs and city initiatives can significantly enhance recycling efforts, making it easier for everyone to participate. Volunteering for cleanup events and supporting local recycling programs can make a tangible difference. Let us all do our part to create a planet where waste is minimized, resources are valued, and future generations can thrive. Together, we can build a sustainable future where the environment is protected and communities are empowered to make a positive